Hi fans! So today we're gonna make nag-comment kasi yon sa last video ko na in like 2024 na maggawa daw ako ng Bombay chocolate with 2 ingredients lang daw. Sure ka? 2 ingredients lang? So sabi niya sugar pati Milo. Ang daming Milo binili ko para sinabi niya. Yan. Waste money. So, kung nag-watch ka nito, do not be angry because guys, it was just a joke. Hindi yun siya nagsabi, pero yun sa video ng ate ko nagawa siya Dubai chocolate with this, pati this lang daw. So, we will do it. And then she said part 2, but she didn't make the part 2. So, I will not make part 2 or I will make part 2. Okay, let's go. We need this. We will have this. I already prepared plate and fork and so I'll put you guys. So sabi niya daw, kita ko na video niya. Cut lang na. Just my bowl. May cut yan dito guys. But I'm already doing good. I didn't spill anything yet. Okay. That's Milo. Don't think want to mix it. So, kita ko talaga nag-mix siya guys. I'm not joking. Seriously. Guys, I didn't see her mix, but I need to mix this to make sure it's light, like light brown. So kind of dark brown, and then I think it tasted sweet. I think she's gonna put the like her part 2 in 2027 because it's 2026. I think she's gonna put it tomorrow. And then mixing it. I just need a plate to put all my brown. There. And some sugar. We need cheese, and I saw 2 scoops. 1, 2, 3. I don't know if this is gonna work because it's also sayang if I cannot eat it. Look at that. Guys, am I gonna use spoon? Yeah. Sweet. Oh God. I got the spoon. Guys, Mix. Oh, cooking better. Good. And I need some water. Wait. I just get a little bit of water because that was it. So put a little water. It's getting well. Let's turn this around so the excess. Look, it's not so gooey now. I'm making like the giant person. Now I got this one. Yeah, I think I'm not gonna get one because I think when you scroll better that. Yeah. Oh, it's bubbly. Stop. Okay. I'm gonna put this in the freezer. Before I put, I'm gonna put more. But there's no last time. Just make it a little bit sweet. Even like the Dubai Chewy chocolate will be sweet. So anything sweet. Because guys, I don't have like the pistachio and the green, so I'll just use chocolate instead. Then the inside. Just wait. Put it in the freezer. So guys, we're gonna put it in the freezer. Can you open it? What is that? I'm gonna make something. Basta. Hindi na din Milo. Hindi na, kaya dalawa na lang yun. I think the freezer doesn't work. It's in there. So, I'm gonna clean my mess. No, there's no more mess. So, I'm gonna go upstairs and then that I think tomorrow tayo mag-ano because today is Saturday. Sunday we'll eat. Sunday, I'm gonna put And later, me and my sister will buy. Okay. Oh, sweet. It's been 30 minutes and then soon tomorrow. Oh yeah, I forgot guys. It's still like like what do you call this in English? If you know Tagalog guys, this don't mind me. Hapon. So and it's a mess here, so I'm gonna clean this up. Start to clean it. And this is the jacket. Don't make it like a style, guys. So I'll put it there. I'm gonna tie this. So here. Oh my god. Huh? Yeah. I think I'm just gonna put it. Okay. This is my mini chair. It's my. I think oh. This the towel. Go here. And my Lebadas. My laundry stuff. And my like dinosaur. My dinosaur my tita gave me. It's so satisfying. You know guys what are wondering what inside. So this is my part. So I'm doing look. It's my star lamp. That's why I put also stars and diamonds there. Oh, stars and diamonds. It's wet. Just we put it in the it's all paper. Put the net here and just have like just put them together. see this one. Yeah, very nice. With laundry. That's my designed bag. Look, my sister is making the cheese bar. We made this before, but it ripped. We just put tape and joined it. Come here outside. No, it's not the other one. We will first just take this right here. Oh, finally I find it. And there's look. It's from the figure trading girl, like Mrs. Rachel. Give me this one, the lemon like merch. See? Now I'm gonna put it here. Here in my star. Oh, it perfectly fits. So, no, it's perfect. You can see it. Oh, I'm gonna get that tape, guys. Is this here? Why do you color it blue? Black? No, it's only red. My sister made. She's still not done with it. Cutting this. We'll put the cut ones inside now. And the round ones. My baby is crying. And where's my... No. It's so cool and satisfying. Diba you need to still cut this to put it here? Yeah. So we're gonna change this. I'm gonna keep the yellow one. We'll just like ugly colors. We made this, guys. No, my ate made it. Oh yeah. So, me and my ate. I'm gonna put the sticker back. Fall off. It's even a puppet. Yeah, so cool to look at. I'm gonna just. You're gonna give me the rubber bands. They're in the court, in the room. Here, I got one. I'm gonna put it right here. Look, guys, it's like a grabby. It's just like a slow as a grabby. Wow, I cannot stop this twisting now. It's so satisfying. So part 2, guys, for the chewy chewy gummy tip 2. Bye, BTs.